first registered to PMG Investments Limited of Birmingham, and then only one private keeper since. Under 21,000 miles from new at time of consignment. Special order Designo Ice Blue paintwork and very well specified from the factory. Rare and desirable 5.5-litre V12 Bi-Turbo engine variant. A notably nice example, and rated as excellent throughout by the vendor, these coupes are renowned for their opulence and ability to eat up mileage, and with the V12 engine and such low mileage and excellent condition, this example is certainly impressive.